Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. With Diwali around the corner, today I am going to show you how to transform an ordinary metal can into a stunning Diwali lamp. It's super fun DIY project and perfect for adding glowing touch to your celebration. So grab your supplies and let's get started. I found these paint cans in our storeroom. Now let's do some marking on them. Using marker, I mark some dots on them. On one side I want Diwali Diya design. So I will draw that on paper and stick it on the can. Now let's drill holes on the marked dots of this can. This is the most tedious part of this project. While drilling, can will crumble, but don't worry, we can fix it later. I had put wooden block inside can to reduce crumbling. If you have that shiny thin tin can, you can easily poke holes on that. I drill holes on this Diya design. Now let's clean it and paint. Using hammer, I removed some of the dents and brought it in shape. I will first apply this gesso on can. Using sponge dabber, I applied first coat of gesso. For second coat, I applied blue chalk paint. So this is how our lamp looks. I kept it simple, but you can paint any designs or write any message on it if you want. At night you can place diya or tea light candle inside to make it glow. One more important thing, if you want to place it upside down, like consider this chalk paint as diya, and you want to place it like this, then remove this top part or make big hole on top, otherwise it will get hotter and catch fire. So be careful. Best you can use LED candles. It won't give you any problem. Aesthetic look of this lamp is truly mesmerizing. I will show you final result of using candles and LED lights at night. But before that, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and do share your views on this DIY. Wish you all happy and safe Diwali. Peace.